Welcome to Wendy's. The reason I'm here today is because they're supposed to have their Halloween toys in their kids' meals, and they also have a charity thing going on that's called a Boo Booklet or something like that. It goes to help foster care kids, and there's a bunch of coupons in it that you can use until the end of the year. So we are going to check that out. So join me on today's culinary adventure.
Hi, ready to order?
Yes.
Feel free to take your time. I'm here whenever you're ready.
Do you have the Halloween toys in the kids' meals yet? You do?
Yes. Give me 1 moment. I'll take your order in 1 second. Okay, what can I get for you?
I'd like a kids' meal with the chicken nuggets and fries and a Diet Coke with no ice.
What sauce?
Barbecue, please.
Okay.
May I also get a Boo Book?
Of course.
And that's it. That's it.
Bye, ready to.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, well, today is September 13th, and they do have the toys. So we will get to see which one we get. They look really cute. And I did get a Boo Book, which I will show you. And like I said, the coupons are good until the end of the year. I think most of them are Frosties. They used to give you like a tag back in the day. I guess they just changed it to coupons. So we will see what we get. I'm gonna go and pay for my meal now. All right, we are about to see what is in the Halloween toys. I don't even know what they're calling it. They didn't really advertise it on their menu. They're still advertising their meal of misfortune, which I saw the sign for as I was driving through. So we will see what is involved, and then I'll show you the Boo Book. That's all we got. The kids' meal is $4.49, and the Boo Book is $1. So my total with tax was $5.82, in case you're wondering the prices. With a kids' meal, you have a choice of cheeseburger, hamburger, or nuggets. I think there's 4 nuggets in here, so it's little. You get it's very cute. You get actually there's a lot of fries in here for a tiny baby fry. Look how cute. Look how cute the soda is. It's really small. It's cute though. Okay, they are calling these Frosty Frights. I couldn't remember what the name of them was, but they're calling these Frosty Frights. So this is like an unboxing. Very excited. There are 6 different ones. Actually, no, 6 or 12. Yeah, 6 characters. I'm gonna actually take my glasses off so I can see. So there are 6 ones that you could get. There is, instead of a mummy, they're calling it Yummy, Ice Patch, Permafrost, the Captain Cold Snap, Melton, and Chili Gilly. I'll show you what they look like. I really like the Captain. Oh, the Permafrost is a cat. Okay, so I'm hoping, and then the Ice Patch looks like a pumpkin. So that's the Ice Patch right there. That one's really cute. And that one is the cat, the purr one. And then the Captain down here is really cute. So any one of those would be great. Most of this is going to my nephew, but all right. And they do have a slot, so I don't have to use my teeth. So here we go. Love doing that. Oh, they're big. Oh, something just fell out. I'll get that in a second. They're really big. What did I get? I got the Permafrost. How cute is that? Oh my gosh, that's so cute. I'm sorry, Miles. This might be staying home with me. That is really cute. And it's got the number 13, which is actually my lucky number because I was born on a 13. And so is my son. He was born on a 13. So it runs in the family. Oh my gosh, so cute. Her little tail. It's going to be a her. Little tail there. Oh, I love this. So the little Frosties. And, oh my gosh, so cute. I may actually have to come back to collect all of them because they're so stinking cute. Oh my gosh. I'm so happy with that. I think I might like that better than the McDonald's adult meal that we saw. That was good though. I got the fry one, but I just like this toy. This toy is real, and it's really well made. No offense, McDonald's, but some of your toys are not made very well. Made very well. I mean, you could actually give it to a younger kid. You just have to be careful not to break off the arms and the legs, but it's made pretty well. And it's kind of hefty. So yeah, I'm happy with it. All right, so let me show you let's see what fell on the floor. Oh, they have a write-up of her. So it's Permafrost. They tell you her name. The sun's in the way. It's Permafrost. And it says, she's the luckiest kitty you could ever meet. She climbs and leaps and always lands on her feet. FROSTY Frights. Oh, it's so cute. And then there's a little picture of her on the front. Very, very cute. And they give you stickers. There's Permafrost. I've told you guys that I've been journaling and I use stickers. I'm gonna put this in my journal for today as one of my stickers. And they've got some other stickers. They've got a pumpkin, and they've got another little Frosty, and it looks like that's like a Halloween scene with a little witch, the one right there in the purple. So that's really cute. So you also get some stickers along with your toy. So that's really cute. Very, very happy with that. Okay, let me show you the Boo Book. So this is what the Boo Book looks like. Again, the money that's made from the Boo Books are going to a charity that helps foster kids. So that's the charity that Dave Thomas has done for many, many years. And I do remember for a while, every year, I would pay the $1 and I would get two. I would get one for me and one for my husband. And it was a little thing you put on your keychain. And then you could do it once a day. You could go to any Wendy's. The one by us actually closed. I had to go further north for this one. But you would put it on your keychain, and then anytime you felt like you're in the mood for a Frosty, you would get a Frosty like this kind of size. And yeah, you could get it once a day. So that was really cool. I never, I got my money's worth, obviously, but we never went once a day. But it was cool. So now this is different. This is the Boo Book. Now they may actually have those keychains as we go into the holiday season. I think that was a holiday season one. And when you bought it, it lasted for a whole year. So that might be a little different, but that's what I remember as far as, the Frosty stuff. So once you open up the Boo Book, it has all of your coupons here. And it looks like you mostly get free Frosties. So there are 2, 4, 6. Yeah, so there are 6 coupons. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them are for free Frosties. And then the last one is $1.99 for a kid's meal. So that's actually a good deal because we saw that it was a little over $4 for the kids meal. So yeah, it says redeemable for $1.99 kids meal with any purchase. So you have to purchase at least one other thing. And original coupon valid for one-time use only. And it's good until 12/31 of this year. So yeah, you'll have the rest of the year to use all of these. So if I'm ever in the mood for a little Junior Frosty on my, when I'm up this way, then I will use it. Yeah, I don't know why the Wendy's by me went out of business. I mean, I don't know, maybe it just wasn't getting the kind of business. I'm sure they're all independently owned. I do know that every time my husband would go, they would mess up his order. He likes specific things not on his burger. And yeah, they didn't do a good job of making his specifically the way he likes it. But yeah, and they closed that, and we thought maybe they were going to remodel or whatever. Nope, there's like paper on the windows, and they finally took the sign, the Wendy's, the sign that like the stand is still there, but the sign that says Wendy's is totally gone. Yeah, I don't think they're coming back. So I have to come up. It's not that. It's only like almost 4 miles. It's like 4 miles to my north, so it's not that big of a deal. So all right. So right now at Wendy's, you can get a Boo Book for $1, which I do highly recommend because not only are you getting a good deal, but you're also supporting a really good charity. And the little toys are so stinking cute. Oh yeah, and they show you bigger pictures of them on the back of each coupon. Yeah, I'm gonna have to come back and get all of them because they're so cute. I really like the pirate, and I'm glad I got the cat. The cat is super duper adorable. I wish there was like a way I could have a stand and like sit them up on my car so they wouldn't slide all over the dash. This is so cute. It was actually probably not a good idea. It's plastic, and being that I am Florida, she would probably melt, but I think she's adorable. All right, well, that was super fun. The next thing that I want to try to get, There's 2 coming up. I know that Dunkin' Donuts is coming up with their Boo Buckets. I don't know if that's what they're calling it. And I know McDonald's is coming out with theirs, but theirs is not until October. I think both of those are in October. I can't believe October is only like 2-3 weeks away. 2 weeks away? Yeah, we're coming close. We're like halfway through this month already, and it's gone so fast. So anyway, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, do me a favor and click the subscribe button below. Hit the bell notification so you know when I upload, and give me a thumbs up because it helps the algorithm. If you are already a member of my channel, thank you for being here. And I will see you on my next adventure. Until next time.